Welcome back to the channel the D.G.REG.F.D. 20. Pence coin is one of the most recognizable pieces of modern British coinage, representing both tradition and innovation in the United Kingdom's monetary system. Introduced in 1982, it was the first coin of its value ever struck for circulation in the UK, making it a landmark in numismatic history. The coin's obverse side features the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, along with the inscription D.G.REG.F.D, an abbreviation of the Latin title Dei Gratia Regina Fidei Defensor, meaning, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. This phrase has appeared on British coins for centuries, connecting modern issues with deep royal heritage. On the reverse side, the original 1982-2008 design displays the Tudor rose, an emblem of unity between the houses of York and Lancaster, crowned at the top, symbolizing the strength and continuity of the British monarchy. This design was created by William Gardner, whose initials often appear subtly engraved within the artwork. Made of copper-nickel, the 20p coin weighs 5 grams and measures 21.4 millimeters in diameter. Its 7-sided heptagonal shape makes it both distinctive and practical, ensuring easy recognition by touch and preventing counterfeiting. The D.G.REG.F.D. 20p coin reflects the enduring connection between Britain's royal identity and its economic evolution. It stands as a perfect blend of history, artistry, and national symbolism, circulating in millions of pockets across the country. Collectors admire this coin for its multiple portrait varieties of Queen Elizabeth II, each design reflecting a different stage of her reign. The early portrait by Arnold Machin was later replaced by Raphael Maclauf's more mature depiction in 1985, followed by Ian Rank Broadley's version in 1998, and finally, Jody Clark's in 2015. A particularly interesting piece in this series is the 2008 undated 20p coin, known as the mule error, where the obverse and reverse were mismatched, resulting in no date appearing anywhere on the coin. These rare coins are extremely valuable, sometimes fetching hundreds of pounds from collectors. Over the years, the 20p coin has undergone subtle refinements in design and composition, yet it has retained its iconic shape and regal symbolism. Each version continues to carry the title D.G.REG.F.D as a reminder of Britain's monarchic and cultural continuity. The coin's durability and artistic integrity make it a beloved part of daily life in the UK. From vending machines to coin collections, it remains both functional and collectible, bridging the gap between history and modernity. The D.G.REG.F.D. 20p coin holds a fascinating place in the history of British currency. Introduced in 1982, it became a symbol of modern Britain's transition into a more efficient and decimalized monetary system. The decision to introduce the 20p coin came after several studies showed the need for a denomination between the 10p and 50p coins. Its introduction simplified transactions and made everyday commerce more convenient. The design of the coin was carefully chosen to balance aesthetics, practicality, and national symbolism. Its unique 7-sided shape, known as an equilateral curve heptagon, was already familiar from the 50p coin, helping users easily distinguish it by touch. On the obverse side of the original coin, we see Queen Elizabeth II's portrait, sculpted by Arnold Machin OBE, one of the most famous British engravers of the 20th century. His elegant depiction of the young Queen wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara became iconic. Surrounding the Queen's portrait are the words Elizabeth II D.G.REG.F.D, along with the year of issue. This Latin phrase, meaning by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith, represents the Queen's spiritual and constitutional role in the nation. The reverse side of the 20p coin was designed by William Gardner, whose Tudor rose design is one of the most beloved in British numismatics. The rose, crowned at the top, stands for unity, heritage, and royal dignity. The coin's composition of copper-nickel, 84% copper, 16% nickel, gives it a silvery appearance and ensures durability for decades of circulation. Many examples from the 1980s remain in excellent condition even today. Weighing just 5 grams and measuring 21.4 millimeters in diameter. It's smaller and lighter than earlier pre-decimal coins, reflecting a shift toward efficiency and modern minting standards. The 1980s saw millions of these coins produced at the Royal Mint, ensuring wide availability. Despite its commonality, special proof versions and mint condition coins are highly sought after by collectors. The 20p coin is also celebrated for its elegant simplicity. Its clean lines, distinct shape, and timeless design make it one of the most instantly recognizable coins in the UK's currency family. When the coin was first released in 1982, it was met with great public enthusiasm. It quickly became part of everyday transactions, from small purchases to change in buses, shops, and vending machines. In 1985, the obverse design changed to feature Raphael Maklauf's portrait of the Queen. This version presented a more regal and mature image of Elizabeth II, reflecting her evolution as a long-reigning monarch. Each later update of the Queen's portrait represented a new chapter in her reign, a visual timeline of both her life and the changing artistry of British